PDF documents? Welcome to Tuner. We provide professional Adobe Acrobat editing service solutions for legitimate business, personal, educational, and creative projects. Our goal is to help make your PDF files clean, organized, readable, and professionally presented. PDF documents are widely used for business communication, reports, presentations, project materials, informational content, digital publications, and many other everyday purposes. A properly formatted PDF can make your information easier to read, understand, and share. That is where our Adobe Acrobat editing service can help. Using Adobe Acrobat, we can assist with general PDF text corrections, formatting improvements, page organization, alignment adjustments, spacing corrections, image positioning, and other visual improvements for legitimate content. If your PDF contains outdated text that you are authorized to update, we can help replace or correct that content while maintaining a clean and consistent layout. We can also help improve font consistency, paragraph alignment, text positioning, margins, spacing, and the overall structure of your PDF. Our Adobe Acrobat editing service can include PDF formatting, page arrangement, rotation, page insertion or removal, image placement, text corrections, header and footer adjustments, and general layout improvements. We pay close attention to visual consistency. Fonts, text sizes, spacing, margins, images, and page layouts should work together to create a professional appearance. Even small formatting issues can affect how a document looks and how easily the information can be understood. That is why attention to detail is an important part of our service. Do you have a business report that needs better formatting? Maybe you have a presentation document that requires cleaner page organization. Perhaps your informational PDF needs typography improvements, corrected spacing, or better image placement. Our Adobe Acrobat editing service can help improve these elements and create a more polished final presentation. We can work with business materials, project documents, informational PDFs, presentations, reports, digital publications, educational materials, marketing content, and other legitimate files that you own or have permission to modify. Every project has different requirements. At Tuner, we carefully review your instructions and work according to the needs of your project. Whether you need a few simple formatting corrections or broader visual improvements, our goal is to provide an organized and professional result. Another important part of PDF editing is page organization. Sometimes pages need to be reordered to create a better flow. Other times, unnecessary pages may need to be removed, new authorized content may need to be added, or page orientation may need adjustment. These changes can make a PDF easier to navigate and more convenient to use. We also focus on readability. Clear typography, consistent alignment, appropriate spacing, and an organized layout can make a significant difference in the quality of a PDF document. Our Adobe Acrobat editing service is designed for clients who value professional presentation, careful formatting, visual consistency, and attention to detail. Whether you are a business owner, entrepreneur, content creator, designer, student, or professional, we can assist with legitimate PDF editing and formatting requirements. At Tuner, customer requirements are important to us. We aim to understand what you need before beginning the editing process. This allows us to focus on the areas that matter most to your project and deliver a result that matches your expectations. If you are searching for a professional Adobe Acrobat editing service, Tuner is ready to help. Send us your legitimate PDF editing requirements and tell us what formatting or presentation improvements you need. For more information, visit our website at tuner.com. For email inquiries, contact us at hi@tuner.com. You can also reach us through WhatsApp at +888 1788 716 077 or contact us on Telegram at Newer Digital Agency. Choose Tuner for professional Adobe Acrobat editing service, clean formatting, organized pages, professional presentation, careful attention to detail, and reliable PDF editing solutions for legitimate projects. Improve the presentation of your PDF documents with professional Adobe Acrobat editing from Tuner. Visit tuner.com today and tell us about your next project. Thank you for watching. We look forward to helping you create clean, organized, and professionally presented PDF documents.